Tirunnamalai is a city and a special grade municipality in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. This city is proposed municipal corporation and now administered by a special grade municipality that covers an area of 13.64 km square and a population approximately about 1.5 lakh. Roadways are the major mode of transport in Tiruvannamalai. While the town also has rail connectivity, Chennai International Airport is the nearest domestic and international airport to the town. Tiruvannamalai is situated 196 km from the state capital Chennai and 210 km from Bangalore. So this is the introduction to about the Tiruvannamalai, how the town and how to reach there and what and all is there. So now Panchabhutas are five in numbers. According to Hindu mythology, everything in this world or the visible form of the universe is being built with the Panchabhutas, and those are five in numbers. Those are Agni, Vayu, Akash, Earth, and water. Akash is something like ether. Among those, the fifth one is Agni. In India, there are five temples, those are dedicated to each of the Buddhas. And the temple which is dedicated to Agni is in Tiruvannamalai. And we can see that the climate of Tiru is very hot as well. Shiva is giving darshan as half Shakti and half Shiva on this particular temple, which is like half male and half female. That is also saying us that the absolute or the Brahman, which is beyond the forms of gender. In Sanskrit, this particular shape is called as Ardhanarishwara Rupa. And this temple has very important construction method according to Tantra Samuchaya. And also Girivalam is performed in at this particular mountain that is considered as very powerful during the full moon day. Now let's consider the Girivalam or the rotating mountain without wearing a shoe and getting darshans in each and every temples and lingas around this holy mountain, which will take hours together to complete. The mythology behind that is this: while Shiva and Parvati is having their divine Leela, suddenly Parvati thought of hiding Shiva's eyes with her hand, and she did it. The result was that the entire universe went into darkness. Everyone got angry and she felt guilty. So she asked Shiva, "What I have to do to come out from this guilt feeling?" Shiva told her to walk across the mountain and come back to him. She has done exactly what the Shiva was asked to do. Naturally, the Shiva felt so happy and offered his half body to her so that they both will never get separated. However, on Girivalam path or the holy pathway, there are 21 important temples, 8 lingas, and 50 plus ashrams are located. So now we should actually consider why this is having this much importance altogether. The Mount Arunachala is a psychic accelerator. The answer is this: the Mount Arunachala is a psychic accelerator. On the very presence of Mount Arunachala, the psychic powers get accelerated and the mind will disappear. That is why some of the holy books there are mentions of sentimental beings such as yakshas, devas, including Nagas, are doing the Girivalam. So human psychic is very important concept to consider. The Western psychiatrist Carl Jung has written and studied very beautifully about this, but he was not able to break the problem of mind. He was not able to go beyond that. He just got stuck on mind. But the sadhus and siddhas on Tiruvannamalai got experiences which is beyond mind and intellect. Some of the notable persons on this list are Ramana Maharshi, Yogi Ram Surat Kumar, Mukupudi Siddhar, and like that. There are much more peoples are there on the list, but we don't need to go through every one of them. And some of peoples are not even on the list because they got much more silent, that their words were not able to communicate properly what was their experience is all about. However, this mountain is a great psychic accelerator and will transcend you slowly. You can experience that in very first hand in Tiruvannamalai. That is the very presence of this particular mountain is giving to you. There are a lot of myths and mythologies around the stories uh, of which is happening in Tiruvannamalai, the people who are getting enlightened, the gurus, the teachers, the siddhas, and the masters. So many things are happening around Tiruvannamalai. But however, the mountain is a very great psychic accelerator.